Got a little mail call today. This is from Val's Life, aka Puddles FPV, and I believe the Canadian Drone Hub is involved, Roger and Kim. So I want to thank everyone for sending me this. I don't know what's in here. No one told me. Although I do believe I know something that might be part of it, and I think it's a little crappy. You'll see what I mean. You'll see. So, let's see what we have. Well, candy. You can't go wrong with candy. Oh, told you. There's the crap. Told you it's going to be crappy. I may just have the thing for that. I wonder if it'll fit. Well, looky there. It works. Ha! Awesome. Thank you. And I think this actually was printed by Centroid Mark. So thanks, Mark, for your work. Hand painted. Did they sign it? You guys didn't even sign it. You know how much this could have been worth if you would have signed it? But thank you. That's cool. Oh, before I go any further, Val, if you're watching this, which you probably are, if there is any correspondence in here with my wife's name on it, I'm gonna burn it. I don't trust you. I'm sorry, I just don't trust you. So, just letting you know, there better not be a note or a honeydew list or anything like that, or it's going up in flames. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, what else we got? What the heck is that? Nice. Got a mouse pad. Can always use those, and this would be good for something else too. I'm sure I can use it for all kinds of things. Dang, more candy. More candy. I do like these Smarties a lot, though. Thank you. Let's see what is this? Oh, awesome. Come on. It's official. Canadian Drone Hub hat. Thank you very much, guys. Yep. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the colors. So thank you, Canadian Drone Hub, Roger, Kim. Thank you, Val. And you're lucky there's no letter in there. Thank you, Mark, for the little present. Alright, sweet. So, yeah. Good day. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it very much. This is Drone Pool, signing out.